Put your loving hand out, baby.
Morning.
Beautiful New York City.
We're gonna get some bagels and coffee.
Been sent to what is apparently the best bagel place in all of New York City. It's hard to believe, but we're about to
We're gonna go and try it. Hey.
What does it mean, babe?
It's clean. I don't know why you choose one that's a B or a C.
I'm begging.
What did you get on your bagel, Bob?
Just cream cheese. A schmear.
A schmear.
Of cream
Did you
cheese.
just get cream cheese?
I got toasted. And I got a bagel with everything.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Look what's in there.
Look at all that cream cheese goodness. Oh, cream cheese is tasty.
Is it? Maybe they put something with it.
It's like it's got herbs in it or something.
We asked the lady and she recommended we get a sesame bagel. Yours looks like it's got some.
I got everything.
Oh, the everything bagel. I see. I'm on my stoop. See here. This is where I live now. This is the stoop I'm on. It's right down from the police station, so when I cause trouble, they just easily take me inside.
That's a lot of layers. How much was yours?
Like 11 US.
Oh, that's fancy.
Is that?
Yeah.
How much was that? Yours?
$3.65.
Oh, what? Oh, it's because I got a bagel with a lot. So this is probably going to keep me going like for the next 4 days.
Holy shit, that's ginormous.
Isn't that amazing? So it's like cream cheese. I got the lady recommended sesame bagel. I've got cream cheese. I've got lox, which is like smoked salmon. I've got the red onion. I've got some lettuce, some tomato. It looks phenomenal. Okay.
Get that in your mouth. That's gonna be a challenge.
This is still kind of a situation. Yum.
These bagels are really good. Hello, New York. This is a nice introduction.
Good morning, New York City. We met a man last night in a bar. He was a Jewish baker. And he looked exactly like George Costanza. Like a thin George Costanza. In New York City, it's only right that we would meet this man and he would write us the most particular itinerary.
And he's been spot on.
Customized exactly to what we wanted.
Yeah, but he's done a fantastic job. Like everything he's told us.
Finding George Costanza, the thin George Costanza, the Jewish New York banker George Costanza, in a bar on the 15th floor was probably one of the best life choices we've ever made. We did have a bit of a debaucherous night. They took us out to strip clubs and I made many lap dances for myself. And I think you had a couple.
You gave me one, but I ended up having a chat.
Yeah, well,
I was.
there's some very attractive African women that I made them pretty much max out their credit cards on, because that's the kind of drunk person I am. We've been told to go on something called the High Line.
We don't really know exactly what it is.
what it was.
We're standing in front of the sign, but we still can't work it out. We're thinking a
Maybe
monorail.
a monorail?
We'll give
see.
it a go.
We're about to let you know.
We'll tell you shortly.
Begging, begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging, begging you.
So we're on the High Line.
It is beautiful.
It's very, very pretty. It's kind of like a raised walkway above the streets. It's not a monorail.
It is do not expect to be catching the train in any format on the skyline.
It's really long. Like we're walking to 14th Street, which is like miles away.
And it's like a beautiful juxtaposition of like garden, landscaped gorgeousness set amongst the backdrop of Manhattan. It's crazy.
I like it. It's really
beautiful.
nice.
Yeah. And it's kind of like a little bit of serenity in the manicness that is New York City.
We could totally do a morning run along here.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah.
Yes.
That'd be nice.
It's still loud.
Yeah.
Don't forget, you are in New York.
Put your loving hand out, darling. Right now, when I was king.
So, we just came to this little shop and bought these.
Amazing pictures.
Beautiful little print. And we bought matching ones, of course.
Of course.
We're super
Hashtag twin.
And we're going to go and find this artwork. So apparently
Some of it's around Little Italy. So we're going to try and walk there now.
And we've seen some
Very colourful
pretty
characters.
wacky outfits. Some unusual
different walks of life.
I feel like my scar goes okay in down these parts though.
Yes.
More of a gang scar.
It is. You know, it's what shit that happens in New York.
Yeah. Pop a cap in your ass. And a strapless flag again. Alright, let's go. Look, it's another twin. Which one's the vintage one?
Depends what filter I'm using.
Hey. Australia. Thanks.
They hard and fast 'cause I had everything. Walked away, wondering if
We're on the hunt for Molly's cupcakes. I think it's that way.
Maybe this way. It's hard to tell because street names are just
know where we're going.
a typical situation really with us. Don't know what day it is, don't know where we're going.
All the time.
No, we're always late, always lost. Have you found Molly's?
I think I found Molly's.
Let's go. She's very excited.
We found Molly's cupcake.
We're gonna go
Best
in.
fucking cupcake I've ever eaten in my life.
What cupcake did you have last time, Bob?
Peach cobbler.
Oh!
I had to think
that
it was a
sounds
peach
really
cobbler.
good.
It was honestly
Really good.
My mouth is salivating thinking about it.
Oh, is it?
I'm like, honestly.
Oh, you were ready for this. Okay. You can see. Best.
Winner.
10 best. Winner.
Winner. Chicken dinner.
Cupcake dinner.
Cupcake dinner.
No dogs, no cats, no horses, aardvarks, goats, newts.
Gorillas. Gophers.
I can't come in, babe.
Oh.
Then I have to bring the cupcake.
I can't undulate.
Ungulate?
Is that what that says?
What's an ungulate?
I can't read that.
Anyway, let's go eat cupcakes. Well, it's a bit of confusion already going on. I don't think I've seen her this excited for a while. Oh, this is like plantain style excitement. Oh, let's sit on a little desk. Of course. You're a bit of a ham, aren't you? Anything do we do?
Peach cobbler.
Yes.
Which is, I think it was the winner of the cupcake wars. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah. And then we have the lemon meringue.
Oh, beautiful.
See, just let me go. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose. I got my arms all spread. I hope that my heart gets fed.
Soft meringue. Tap it a little.
Little tapper, babe. Yeah, and tap that. What have we got on the inside?
We have lemon.
Oh, there's like a little lemon curd in the middle. Okay. Is it? What's it like? Tangy?
It's tangy.
Yum.
Really nice.
But easy come and easy go when it would end. So anytime I need you, let me go. Anytime I beat you, get me low. Anytime I seek you, let me know. But I plan to.
That's all.
Meow, 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 meow. So, we are out and about.
It's New York by night, number 2.
Yeah, and we're going to go out for some Indian.
We're going to get some ethnic.
Yeah, it's like little India town.
We are in Little India, like we have costumes behind us. Costumes. They're not
I think that's a normal day-to-day clothing, darling.
It looks quite
Costumes to us, but maybe not to other people. But we're gonna try and seek out some like.
We've got to find some
authentic
really good
Indian.
food. There's got to be something here.
See, just let me go. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose. I got my arms all spread. I hope that my heart gets fed. Matter of fact, I'm begging.
A little meat samosa. That's alright. First, we're gonna get chutney from the chutney bar though. So this is the situation. So you just help yourself. So I have given you this very fancy selection of chutneys.
On my polystyrene plate.
We're
I like
keeping it classy this evening. So I know this is like a creamy mint one. Have you had that one before? It's almost to
I
cool
have.
down. Yeah. I don't know what this one is.
Some yogurty thing.
Yeah. This
And
one.
normal samosa sauce. I don't know
Is
what
it?
it is. I think
Okay,
so.
we'll try that as well. And this one you have, it's like,
delight.
would you say it's kind of aniseedy, hey?
Yeah, it is.
It's like sweet and aniseedy, and there's, I don't know if you can see really well on there, but there's caraway seeds, and it's sort of just to cleanse the palate.
That is how you do it.
So it's like a bit of a,
We got a meat samosa.
and it's got some green peas in it.
That's wonderful.
So Nicole is not such a fan of the green pickle.
But this is like your element, really.
So it's just like, this one is like mixed green fruit. So it's like a bit of green mango, a bit of green citrus. They just chop it up and they cure it in whatever the mix is.
When I heard that, I just heard like.
It's like very sour, and then it's got a super salty element. Yeah, I like it. It's good accompaniment, but it is intense. It's a very acquired taste. So our lovely waiter has brought out this. It's like sambal. It's a vegetable kind of like a soup that apparently you dip your pancake in. You call this
Masala dosa.
So it's like a pancake. It's stuffed with vegetables like potato and maybe some peas.
We got
curry?
chicken curry. Look at that. Look
Southern
at that.
style. Just says it's in a thick sauce.
Yeah.
They didn't get into too much. We've got rice,
Rice, of course.
And he brought us out some coconut chutney.
Coconut chutney.
Pretty loose chutney.
Yum.
It looks delicious. Okay.
Bon appetit, Coco.
Let's eat.
Lovely. He's brought us even more food, Papa Dams. Thank you. Amazing. Now you're ready, are you? This is how. I love you when you serenade me during dinner. Even with a little 90s R&B.
I'm being a little bit naughty. This is not how you do it.